How to change the remote batteries in a Vodafone Automotive 8772 remote control. So you probably want a flat blade screwdriver, or if you've got special opening tools, these are highly recommended. So you've got a slot just in the end here, and if you look around the side, there's also another slot just in here. So what you need to do is give that a twist, prise it open, same around this side as well, bit of a twist, your remote pops open, and inside you'll see there's a rubber O-ring, and that's what keeps these remotes waterproof. And then your batteries inside. The batteries are CR2032, and the easiest way to do this, I find, is to actually take the circuit board out of the remote control. So get a plastic tool, just gently work that out, and then the whole circuit board should just lift out. And if you look closely, there's two locating pins here and here. So don't be too rough, don't break them. And then once you've got your circuit board out, we'll get this in focus, quite simply slide your battery out. Get your new battery, like I say, it's the old CR2032. Put your new battery into the remote control. Double check you've lined up the switches with the buttons here. Again, just take your time, line it up, slide her in, get your case, give it a good squeeze and just follow it around, and there you go, all back together, job done. Hit the button and you'll see that's working fine. The same applies for the other style of remote control. These actually have exactly the same internals, but to open these ones, it's a bit of a clue here, it does say open. So if you get your tool, get in just in this bit here, and yeah, once it's there, you just follow it around. And I'm making a hash of this live. There you go. Now this is just a case, but you've got exactly the same location pins where the buttons are, and the same deal pretty much applies for the 7777 remote too. So that's your Vodafone or Cobra remote control. For more details, check out vehiclesecurity.co.nz.